Hi guys, it's Eva from Noshki's Nails. I just did this manicure on my nails and I wanted to show you how it's done. I'm going to be doing it right here on this little display that I've been having from this one, I believe was from Beauty Big Bang, that's right. And the color that I use is from Kiss Gel. This was from the Dollar Tree. This is the name of the polish. It's called In the Day. And then I'm also using one from Glisten and Glow. I did get this from PorishCon last year. It's called Shining and Shy. It's this was, I believe, yeah, 2017 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was from PorishCon. It's a beautiful color, and this is how it looks. It's a two-tone manicure. And then as far as stamping goes, I'm using this new plate that I just got in the mail from Ejiubas. It's plate EJB-X15, and this is the image right here. So it's gonna look something like this. So let's go ahead and get this started. I already applied one coat of this polish from Kiss Gel, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply another coat. So we will have two coats, that way it becomes a little bit more opaque, and then we're going to let that dry. And then what we'll do after that is get the one from Glisten and Glow and kind of do the bottom, just kind of brush it upwards to give it that two-tone texture that looks something like this on the nail. And then once that dries up, I'm going to go ahead and do the stamping on it. So I have two coats fully completely dry right now, and I want to take a little bit of this pretty polish from Glisten and Glow and apply it halfway through the nail. Just take a little bit, just make sure there's not too much, and then start from the end and work your way up. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just want a little bit of that glow. And you want to let that dry completely before you go ahead and stamp over the image. So we're going to allow that to dry for a few minutes and we'll be right back. We are ready to do a little bit of stamping on this, and I'm going to be using a Moyra stamping plate. Yes, it does say Moyra, but the Y somehow peeled off a little bit and it's halfway there. I am using this white polish. It's SP07. I cannot read what it says, but it's basically a white stamping polish. This is the name of it right here. I think it's focusing right now. And again, the plate is from Ejiubas. It's EJB-X15. Here's the image right here. Sorry about the glare. I'm going to be stamping this one over this so it could look like this. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Unfortunately, this nail, it just moved too. It's too long for the image, but I'm going to see if I could put another layer of that like right over it right there. So let's see if this will succeed. So you can kind of make it work. That looks fine. The side right there. And this thing keeps falling off. It's very forgiving, as you could see. I'm going to go ahead and let that dry and then top coat it. I could have lined it up a little bit better over there. You could tell that it doesn't look perfect, but it's way better than before, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry again and then top coat it, and then we'll be done. Okay, so I just went ahead and put some sèche vite on this. And the freaking thing is bleeding through. That white stamping polish now freaking looks pink, which doesn't look bad, but I did originally use white, and this is how it's looking. But this is what I had done on my nails. It does, the background maybe on my nails looks a little bit darker. It's a little bit lighter on here, but again, the stamping polish changed it. For some reason it's turning it pink, but overall it's fine. I like it. The image does look a little bit different on here because you could see the full image. On here it's cut off because my nails are so tiny. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and take care. God bless. Bye.